Okay, this one's for Gabby.
Well, when they come, they're coming to trained host families who take care of them for a month, and they get to be part of a real positive family environment and be able to see how a wonderful family can really relate to each other and so forth in peace and some degree of harmony and fun and so forth. So they get to experience family life and love and fun, and they get to go on all sorts of activities and experiences here throughout the Treasure Valley, which is really fun for them. Phenomenal experiences with the medical community here in the Treasure Valley. All of it is donated by just such generous professionals, including yourselves. And some of y'all have been doing it for several years, and we just are so grateful. But all of the kids get to have audiology appointments. They get to have the optometrist see them. Some of them need glasses, and we've been able to provide, with the help of people from the Treasure Valley, glasses. They all get to go to the dentist and have tremendous amounts of dental work done. Capital Dental has been just phenomenal for us and provided so much care over the years for the kids. And then also the medical community gives physicals and so forth. We've had a variety of doctors who have donated their services to give them physical checkups and so forth. The children are all orphaned. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that they have no living relatives. Many of them do have no living relatives. Some of them, however, may have a relative, but they are in such impoverished conditions in their own country, in Ethiopia or the Philippines, that they just simply can't take care of the children, and so they make the extremely difficult decision that they want their child to at least survive. So sometimes they take them to an orphanage rather than abandoning them on the streets. So the kids are coming from orphanages, and they're older kids, this year from ages 10 to 14. And so they're selected because the social workers and so forth feel that these kids could adjust to life with a family and so forth, and that they'd be able to make it in a family that becomes an adoptive family. So they come here as host children and stay for a month, and then they all return to their own country. But while they're here, the goal is that children will meet families who are interested in adoption, and so our prayer is that they end up being adopted by Christian adoptive families, and so we hope that adoption is in the future for many of them. In the past 10 years, the Summer of Hope children have come from 5 different countries, and there are 154 children who have come, and of those, 120 have been adopted. So that's a 78% success rate for adoption. So it's changed the lives of these kids so that they're not ending up on the streets in their home country. So it's a blessing.
I love you.